up here. Come here. Come here. Get on the couch. Good girl. Look at that. Isn't she such a good girl? Look at that. Here, let me close the shade so it's not in your eyes. Where's Demo? Or isn't she so cute? Check out my dog. We have people over right now, and new people, so we have to keep her. Actually, a very good dog, and she loves this couch. By the way, she's just in trouble. She's a very good dog. Good girl. She loves having her neck scratched, by the way. Well, not right now, because she's kind of like laying down. Good girl. Say goodbye.